Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Today I am bringing y'all a huge life update. While I was pregnant, our house unexpectedly sold. We ended up building a new house, moving, and then having a baby right around the holidays. This is a bunch of random clips from the past couple months. Hope y'all enjoy. Okay, so I am at the new house. So I'm gonna show y'all where we're moving. Here we go. Are shopping for granite for the new house today, and there are so many pretty options. See what we can find. We have big news. We are moving. Totally not expecting to move when I am pregnant, but we're excited. So our whole life is in boxes, and today is move day. So I'm laying here in bed because I was feeling a little sick and a little tired, and we're watching bull riding. And it's so exciting because we're feeling her kick, and it's just like the coolest feeling in the world. It's like unexplainable. Kind of takes my breath away. This is the funniest thing in the world. My stomach is like all lopsided. You can tell she's like on the left side. I have bruises too from my shots. We feel the kicking on this side.
What I'll do, I'll put this thing back on you, Brooke, and then I'll shut up so you don't hear my voice during all this stuff. But she sounds wonderful.
She's moving around.
She's moving.
She moves so much.
We love a moving baby.
Sometimes I feel like she's gonna break my ribs. Like I'm like, oh my word. All right, so my Michael's sister, my sweet sister-in-law, set up the whole nursery. This was yesterday. So come in. Let's take a look. Aww. Isn't it cute? Like our bedding.
I love it.
We have our little, my Pooh Bear from when I was a baby.
Aww.
Yeah. It's so cute.
I love it, bro.
And she has all of our clothes organized.
Oh my god.
I'm like, I didn't even have to lift a finger, which it looks like we need some more of those.
There's only 2 of them.
Very exciting.
And then this is gonna go with us to the hospital. We're gonna put her name and weight and everything on it.
Cute.
So here, or on this wall,
If
or
the curtains are gonna be there on that wall.
I know. I think it'll make a lot of sense here when we get that white frame above the
So gorgeous.
changing table.
This was made out of Brooke's wedding dress.
Michael's doing his doctor things. We do this twice a day. 2 heparin shots a day. They're miserable. I don't give them to myself. Michael gives them to me.
Yep.
Brooke, did that make you feel a little better when Dr. Simmons came in? And what did she say?
6 to 7.
So you're not in fake labor?
She said it's real.
You did it, Brooke!
My cutie. Oh my god.
It would sound the alarm and shut all the There we go. Now this vitamin K shot, okay? And I have to get a set of items on baby every 30 minutes, and then I have to come and press on your bed every 15 minutes just to make sure you're not bleeding too much, okay?
I'm sorry.
What kind of shot is she giving?
Vitamin K, it just helps her blood to start to clot.
I'm sorry. That hurts, doesn't it? That hurts.
Yeah. Oh no. There we go.
You're okay.
I know.
You're a perfect little angel baby girl. Oh my gosh, I love you.
I'm gonna go ahead and get my first set of vitals.
Oh.
Sweet girl.
Oh, you sucking your thumb? You're trying to...
Let's see if she wants some vitals.
You probably want to try to feed her as soon as possible.
Hey.
It helps, I think. Do it quick rather than wait.
Hey, girl.
I'm gonna let you guys get rest.
Thanks for coming. So our girl is kind of small and she's swimming in the newborn clothes that we brought her. They're way too big. Literally, it's New Year's Day. I was gonna wear this cute little star outfit on her. This is supposed to be a newborn size. There's no way in this world. We tried putting it on her and she was just like floating about in it. Michael, you're doing so good. Oh. Okay, we gotta put her pants on. How are the pants gonna fit, do you think? liking that? It's okay. It's okay. I think that's the book. Oh, no, you're right. Okay. Those are newborn sizes. Yeah, tuck the sweater in.
Oh, that's weird.
Well, it might stay on more. Okay, we'll try that again. You got it, Dad. What do you think of that, Romy J? Huh? You nice and warm? Oh.
Her belly. Just remember that she has a rib cage protecting her here.
Thanks, Meredith. Rockstar nurse.
She's ready to go.
Yeah, she's like, I'm gonna cry the whole way home. She looks like she's settled into it now. We'll see how she does. We'll see how she does in the car. She might turn into a pterodactyl again.
Once you're going home with a baby.
Literally, I feel like I'm running to keep up with my goal right now. His legs are so long.
Are you parked close by? Do you want to walk out or do you want to bring the car around?
I'm in the same place where we left it.
Oh, we're really close then. We're just right
So just
south.
leave her right here. You can just put her on the chair.
Little Romy James is in the car with us. Michael, she's coming home. What are you thinking?
Excited.
A little tired already?
Yeah, I feel like it's kind of like sinks in.
Oh, she's so stinking cute. Got a little bit scared, so she just had to hold my finger. And then she was totally fine in the car. So we just got home with our baby. We are so excited for her to
Move in, I guess.
I'm like, see her in your nursery? She's excited to get home too. Let's go see it. Look at her, Romy. She's so good. Cute, cute, cute little sign. Oh my goodness. Stop. We've got to take a picture there.